Weather portion of AGWEEK TV now as we look forward to the first couple of weeks of November. Northern Plains, upper Midwest, this can be the start of wintry weather, and we are seeing some very chilly weather drop down over this Halloween weekend. That's going to linger around through much of the first couple of weeks of November, but with a catch. It's looking very dry. Most of the Northern Plains, upper Midwest, unless we get a stray snow shower complex or rain shower, I don't expect anything really organized, so I don't expect to see any snow cover building up in the early part of November, and that has an impact on how cold the temperatures can get. You put snow on the ground, you're reflecting sunlight, you're allowing a lot of radiative heat to transfer at night on clear nights, and it just gets so much colder when there's snow on the ground. So we're probably waiting for snow cover before we're going to get any really cold weather, at least the early part of this winter season. Nevertheless, with this trough dropping down into the Northern Plains this Halloween weekend, it is going to get fairly cool. By the light blue now, I'm talking highs in the 30s, 40s, maybe a stray 50. The dark blue is mostly high temperatures below freezing. All right, down south, the oranges, those are your 70s and 80s and stray 90s this time of the year. That's all staying in the south and in California. But a lot of cool weather in the Northern Plains and places like North Dakota and Minnesota and South Dakota. A lot of this week is going to be highs in the 30s and 40s and nights generally below freezing. This ridge of high pressure will eventually lead to a split pattern, which is why we're not seeing any real warmth building up into Western Canada. But this split pattern is also going to keep the really cold air bottled up in the northernmost reaches of North America. Bitterly cold air is starting to show up way up in the higher latitudes, but in this pattern, there's really no opportunity for a lot of that cold weather to really drop south. So if you want really warm weather, go to Southern California, South Texas, or Florida. But the rest of the nation will be sort of seasonably cool without getting anything really cold this week. The first full second week of November, the jets will briefly reconvene. We'll see a little troughing out west. Try to get a little bit of warming into the Northern Plains with that ridge, but it's November. That will again sag south. I don't look for any organized warming at all for the month. As far as precipitation goes, it's going to be pretty dry from the southern Rockies up through much of the Northern Plains. There will be areas of rain down here in the deep south. Some of those areas will be fairly showery. The real concentration of rain, though, is going to be in the Pacific Northwest with lower elevation rain and mountain snows, and that will likely persist for both weeks of this forecast period. We'll start seeing the snows really build up in the northern Rockies, but with the dry weather persistent over much of southern Canada, the Northern Plains, and the upper Midwest, we're not going to get any real winter start, at least not the first 2 weeks of November.